and out the White Rider met again upon the grass beside the fields. There was also Aragorn, son of Arathorn, and Legolas the elf,
Well then!
Eric and Brand of Westfold, and the Lords of the Golden.
Who wants to leave?
Is anyone hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Chloe. Is anyone hurt?
Yes.
Okay.
Comanche Avenue, Chancey Park. Semi pulled out in front of me.
Alright, it looks like I have you on
Semi pulled out in front of me.
And 22nd in Clinton, Iowa. I'm going to bring my partner on the line while I contact 911.
No, I'm not.
You're a valued OnStar member, and our emergency team is working quickly to assist you.
Rage. Ooh. 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 Only in Houston. What the fuck? I got it all on camera, man. This man is crazy, son. We following them, dude. Damn. This man is crazy, dude. What the fuck? He literally swayed on that dude, man. I ain't gonna lie, the dude in the Autobots car, he got it, man. He swanged on old dude, man.
The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. The flood warning remains in effect. The flood warning continues for the Swatara Creek and Harbor Tavern from late tonight until further notice. At 3:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 6.4 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 14.8 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday afternoon. Impact at 9.0 feet. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected. Water begins to enter some basements. Impact at 10.0 feet. High water isolates several houses. Impact at 12.0 feet. A number of secondary roads are closed, resulting in some evacuation. Impact at 14.0 feet.
Christ, go! Okay then! Jesus, really?
See? Are you kidding me? It was all because of this guy?
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.